Are you tired of living in the dark? Introducing the Dontel Solar Floodlight with power bank and USB port. This innovative product provides light for your home every day and can be recharged under the sun for use at night. The Dontel Solar Lamp Plus Power Bank is perfect for various settings, including churches, mosques, warehouses, shops, and even for security personnel, students, drivers, and farmers in both rural and urban areas. Our solar lamp comes in two types, single bulb and double bulb, with powerful features such as 60 watts with 9,000 mAh and 80 watts with 11,000 mAh. Get your Dontel Solar Floodlight with power bank and USB port today and brighten up your life. Contact us today at 0703 241 5719, 0806 813 2388 to place your order, or visit our website at www.dontel.com.ng to see new products. We need distributors from Lagos, Kano, Warri, Accra, Senegal, Kumasi, Benin Republic, Abidjan, and others. Interested distributors should visit www.dontel.com.ng/distributors.html.